Alright guys, you're watching Our Adventures Are Out There. I am Jay.
I'm Hayley.
And we are just finishing our day one vlog from London. If you haven't already, then go back. We did a lot. A lot. And we've got... What else did we do? Winter Wonderland's got its own vlog, and Hamley's had its own little vlog as well, because it's Hamley's.
It's been too long, hasn't it?
It would have been too long a day. But this is our hotel, the H10 in Waterloo. We are being rebels and crossing the road. We're very sorry, but we're shattered. We've done 32,000 steps today. We are ready for this. If you've seen the title of this vlog, you'll know what's coming, but somebody here doesn't know what's coming.
I know we're staying here.
You know we're staying here. Do you know what room we've got here? Okay, let's check in. Let's get ourselves sorted. Got a nice little desk off to the side of the beds. We have got lamps, plugs and USB. Huge bed. I can get miles away from Hayley in that. Love it. And again on the other side, another plug, another USB, phone and the lamps. Really nice headboard on that. Really like that. The fabric. The view. I'll show you the view already. We filmed all of that. TV's on a swivel, nice huge TV, but the sofa's behind, so that swivels around to there. They're included with the suite, or because I'm a member, can't remember which one which, but check their website. Nice little sideboard as well. And again, the view just goes all the way around in here. And talking about the view, it follows you into the bathroom. Yeah, nice, really nice. That is going to get filled up in 2 seconds. There is the basin, and it is a steam-proof mirror. What more do you want in life? Floating toilet, alright then, and the shower. Not even going to say how many people you can fit in there because it's not that channel. Alright, all the amenities and stuff are down there. Towels are nice. And you get your robe, your slippers, and the H10 standards. But yeah, really impressed with the room. Hayley seems happy. Hayley's found the safe. What more do you want in life? Let's have a look. Safe, straighteners, shoe thingy. Nice, straighteners. That's weird for a room, isn't it? Nice. And then espresso, tea, coffee making facilities are all in there. And if you've bought your other half some flowers, we're going to check in this one, I'm guessing the fridge. What's in the fridge? Do not touch. Oh,
It's got some glasses in it then.
nice. Waterloo Sky Bar, very nice, straight over London Eye. And we need a bath. So they've given us a couple of free drinks. I think I'm taking them back to the room.
Yeah, long day.
Very long day. But yeah, hotel's lovely.
Really nice.
They gave us a few little treats and stuff in the room as well, and they gave us a welcome drink, didn't they?
Yeah.
Not really a welcome drink, but a
Cocktail
from the bar for being a member and stuff, so that was quite nice. But yeah, really nice. We are going to make good use of this room and this bed and fall asleep and yeah, soak in a tub and then see you for breakfast.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning, guys. Well, I slept like a log.
Yeah, it was really quiet.
Really quiet. There was a baby when we checked in next door crying, but didn't hear a peep all night, so thank you very much to their parents. We're ready. We have a shower.
Shower, get ready.
Shower, freshen up, breakfast, get down there first thing. It's just what we do. We always go for breakfast first thing, and then come back to the room and sort bits out.
Yeah, we'll show you what's on offer.
Show you what's on offer down there, summarise the hotel, and it'll be our day 2 vlog. That's ice cream museum this morning.
Yeah.
And then food and London and more walking. Finished yesterday on 33,000 steps, babe.
Yeah,
18 miles. Whoa. Right, we'll catch you down at breakfast. Standard. Avocado on a buffet though. Impressive. Single people are only allowed to have breakfast between 7 and 8:30. Couples are only allowed to have breakfast 8:30 till 9:30, and families are only welcome from 9:30 till 11. However, if you are a couple and you want to have an early breakfast, just take your 2 singles. Follow us for top tips. I do enjoy walking back into that view though. Ooh. Hi, room. All checked out.
Ah, so
Sad to be leaving this one. It's a really good hotel.
It's
really good. We have stayed here before, and if you sign up, they do like members offers, bits and bobs, and all of that. But yeah, they gave us, I think, 2 cocktails, and we had stuff in the room when we arrived and stuff. You would have seen it, but beautiful hotel.
Breakfast was nice.
Breakfast was really good as well. The staff were all lovely, even our luggage and everything. Breakfast, the staff were lovely. The guy in the bar last night, really good, really good. Can't remember what I was going to say now. I don't think it's too badly priced. It's 4-star. They class it as a 4-star luxury. The only reason it's not 5 stars is because it hasn't got a gym and a spa and all that. But everything else is up there. It's really good 4-star. But thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
We're off for day 2 now. If you come back for that vlog after this one, you'll see us in exactly the same place most likely, because we're filming the intro right here. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.
Thank you.